Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 9 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. People waited blank a long time for rescue. A. By. B. For. C. With. Correct answer, for, to show a duration of time. The ship was built blank White Star Line. A. For. B. By. C. On. Correct answer, by, to show the creator. Jack slept blank the third-class cabins. A. On. B. In. C. For. Correct answer, in, for being inside an enclosed space. Rose looked blank the stars from the deck. A. To. B. At. C. From. Correct answer, at, to show a specific direction of looking. Jack pointed blank a star in the sky. A. At. B. To. C. From. Correct answer, to show direction. Like, comment and subscribe.